Ever had a long list in Excel that needed organizing, having lots of products all mixed up, making it hard to find what you need? Maybe you want to arrange them by name or date, but it's a mess every time you try to tidy up things. Today, we will talk about three helpful tools in Excel: sorting, conditional formatting, and filtering. These tools are like magic. They help us tidy up and find exactly what we are looking for in our data. Don't worry if you are new to this. We will learn it step by step. We are going to use a sheet named products. Let's start exploring and learning about sorting, filtering, and conditional formatting. Let's make our data easier to read and look better by using a tool called sorting in Excel. Sorting helps us arranging information in a more organized way so we can understand it better. Make cells A32 to I32 YOLO in Excel products worksheet so you can find them easily later. Arrange your data by product name from A to Z. Click on column C, then go to the data ribbon and pick sort A to Z. Excel will organize your data alphabetically by product name. Numbers come first, then the text entries. If you want to reverse the order by product name, go to the product name column, select sort Z to A in the data ribbon. Sometimes similar data entries stay close together. For instance, if you are looking for frame, check beyond row 13. More might be at row 41 and 120. Arrange your data by date. Click on column B. Choose sort ascending. Now the oldest entry will be at the top and your yellow highlighted row might move. If you want to sort by supplier, click on that column. Choose sort A to Z. Be careful not to select the entire column. It might cause error. Be cautious when sorting multiple criteria. Use the data tab's sort option. Select supplier first, then units in stock for a secondary sort. Remember, Excel can sort by color too, using conditional formatting. Now, we want to make this data more visually appealing and easier to understand by applying conditional formatting. It's help us highlighting specific information based on certain conditions. First, select the data range you want to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells you want to include. Click on conditional formatting and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose highlight cells rows and then select less than. Here we will enter a value, say 100, to highlight cells with stock level less than 100 units. Next, choose the formatting style you prefer. Excel offers various colors and style for highlighting. Pick one that makes this low stock cell stand out. You can add more rules for different conditions by repeating these steps. For instance, let's say we want to highlight discontinued products. Click on the discontinued column, go back to the conditional formatting and this time choose highlight cell rules. Then equal to enter yes in the box to highlight cells where products are marked as discontinued. Similar to before, choose a format that distinguishes these discontinued products from others. This could be a different color, bold text, or even adding a streak through to the text. And there you have it. We have learned how to use conditional formatting in Excel to make our data stand out based on a specific conditions. Feel free to explore different rules and formatting options to suit your needs. Now let's explore how our data looks in the Excel and make it easier to understand using the filter tool. This handy feature helps us focus on important things in our data by organizing and highlighting specific information. First, click on the filter button. You will find it in the data tab. Once clicked, little arrow will show up next to the column names, but they only appear on the screen and won't print. Now let's find out how many gear components are listed. Click the arrow next to category. Then select all to clear everything. Click on gear components to choose it. Click OK and Excel will only show rows related to gear components, hiding the rest. You will notice gaps in the row number on the left. Look for the filter arrow near category with a funnel symbol. The answer is at the bottom left of Excel. To remove filter, click Clear in the Data tab. Now let's find out how many orders Z123 had in 2022. Adjust the date filter to 2022 and remember the supplier filter. The answer is 2. Before moving on, reset by clicking all filters in the data tab. Now find how many records are for mountain bikes frames. Filter products, but since there are various types, use text filter and choose contents. Type mountain and click OK. There are 22 rows with mountain in the name. Next, find mountain bike orders with a stock level over 500. Click the filter arrow beside units in stock, choose number filters, then greater than. Type 1000 and click OK. There are 14 rows meeting this criteria. That's how the filter feature works. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect. Stay tuned for more exciting Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.